Hello YouTube, hello truck driver out there. Here are the results after the free inspection from the WIT station in Wyoming. Look, I got two paper. Guess what? Let me show you. He say this problem. The mechanic say this problem and the valve. And he say my tire was flash and tire. That's from the DOT say got flash and tire. So here my ticket, I mean not ticket, the like warning from the DOT. He don't give me ticket. He's nice guy too. So anyway, here the resource problem. Guess what? Why my camera is not clear? Here the resource problem, okay? Here the resource problem. 200 something. See that? So if you guys come across the country, everything is fine. Here inspection, everything is fine. My inspection is passed, level 2 inspection. Brake check, everything, light from head to tail is fine. But they say just my tire inflation, like inflation, whatever it is. So I got tire problem. Cost me $225.14 for today. Stop by Wyoming scale. So any you guys out there, whoever cross country come here, if you can avoid from Wyoming, please do so. Otherwise you're gonna get ticket, get inspection, pull over. You gotta stop, go to the scale when you come to Wyoming. You cannot go across unless you got a signal green light. So by the way, thank you for you guys supporting me, watching my channel, and follow for more video about the truck. Okay, thank you guys, I appreciate that. And please like and share, subscribe if you can, and share to your friend, to your buddy who love the truck driver job. So I will show you beautiful place. Thank you.